Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to show you a new platform where you watch videos and you get paid every day. Okay, so this is actually a new platform and it's been paying people. It's been paying, so I decided to make a video and show you guys how you can be making money on this platform. Okay, the name of this website is viewpointng.com. Okay, but if you're going to go directly to this website and sign up for yourself, you're not going to be getting any bonus. Okay, so I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this video, so you just make sure you use my link and you're going to get 500 naira as a sign up bonus. Okay, so don't make that mistake. You're going to get 500 naira as a sign up bonus. And if you stick to this video to the end, I'm still going to show you how you can make extra money by completing another task, not just watching video. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video, watch it from beginning to the end, follow the steps I'm going to be showing you. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money, I'm going to show you how you can register, I'm going to show you everything from beginning. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, I will say you should subscribe to this channel, because what I do here is I make research online. I make research and find out website that pays, apps that pays, digital skills and all that. So this is what I teach on this channel. Okay, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, so I'll say you should just click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so when I drop videos like this, you get to get notified by YouTube and you'll be the first to see the video, and just you can start whatever I drop on the platform, or sorry, on the channel. You can just watch it and start implementing immediately. Okay, so you can see on my dashboard here I have 1350 naira. Okay, so I can't withdraw this. If not, I would have done the withdrawal, so you can see the live proof. Okay, although I have proofs here that I'm going to show you. Okay, but before then I will just before then, I would like to make this clear to you. Okay, to join this platform, you're actually going to spend a little money. Okay, it's not free to join. All right, it's actually not free to join, but immediately you're joining, if you're using my my referral link as your sign up link, you are going to get 500 naira immediately after you sign up. Okay, and what you're going to be doing here is watch videos and complete simple tasks. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, if you just go directly to the website yourself, you might not be able to get it right. Okay, so make sure you watch this video and don't miss any steps. So the first thing here is, okay, I already have an account with them and I'm not going to be creating an account, but I'll just log out and I'll show you the process of how you can get to this point. Okay, I'll show you how you can create your own account and get to this point. Okay, you can see it's just few days I joined, and then I was able to complete little tasks that had me this. You can see 450 here, and here you can see 1350. Okay, so but I can't withdraw this right now. I must have up to 5,000 naira in this my earning balance before I can be able to withdraw. And one good thing about this platform is when you also refer people, you get 1,450 naira. Okay, once you refer people to this platform and they sign up, you get 1,450 naira, and you can actually withdraw that one once it's 3,000. Okay, once it gets to 3,000, you can withdraw it. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, this is what your dashboard is going to look like if you finish signing up. But let me just log out, so I will start everything from scratch, so you can see how you can start your own as well. So I will click on register viewpoint. Remember, you're going to use the link in the description of this video so you can get your welcome bonus. Okay, if you go directly to the website, you're not going to get any bonus. Okay, and if this video looks like something you're beginning to like or something you found very valuable, please give this video a like and make sure you share it so your friends around share it on your social media handles, so it can get to reach other people as well. So what you're going to do here is okay, once you click on the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to input your first name. So after inputting your first name, you put your username, you input your email address, you put your phone number. Make sure the phone number you're going to put is very correct, because they are going to send you a verification code. Okay, so when they send you the code, you write it back and then you log in. Okay, so here you create a password, you confirm your password, and here you're seeing activation code. Okay, this is where you're going to make payment to join this platform. Okay, there's no way you can join this platform without making payment. Okay, so here you can see they're telling you to put an activation code. So how to get this code is you're going to reach one of their vendors, and to reach those people, you're just going to click on here. You can see this place showing here. So once you click on it, it's going to load, and you're going to see list of vendors, people that you can chat and get the verification code from. Okay, so you can see these are the list of vendors they have on the platform. You can see every one of them and their WhatsApp number. So you can actually chat any one of them, and they are going to get you the number. It's going to cost you just 2,500 naira. Okay, it's going to cost you 2,500 naira. So the person that referred me to this platform, and I've also seen his withdrawal proof and everything. This is the person here. So in case maybe you're having trust issues and you want to trust the person you want to pay money to, so I'll just recommend this guy. Okay, so he's the one that introduced me to this platform. So you can just click on this chat here. So once you click on chat, it's going to direct you to the WhatsApp DM of the person. So let me just use this as an example. Already we are chatting, so it's just going to pop up like a new message. Okay, so here we have been chatting already, so you can see it. So once you do this, you will see the custom message already. Hello, I want to purchase the viewpoint activation code immediately and get registered. Please send me your bank details. So once you click on this link, is going to direct you to the WhatsApp DM of the person. Okay, you can actually use any of them. The platform is trusted. Okay, but I'm just telling you that is the person that referred me to the platform. Okay, so you can actually buy the activation code from any of them. They're just going to send you their account details, and you send them 2,500, and that is all. So once you make the payment, they're going to give you an activation code, and once you get the activation code, you go back to the sign up page. So once you get back to the sign up page, you input your activation code. You can Okay, this is what the activation code will look like. Okay, you can see this pop up here. You can see this thing that pop up here. This is what the activation code is going to look like. Okay, so this was the activation code I got when I registered, but yours might be different from this, but it's something like this. Okay, so when you get your activation code, it's going to cost you 2,500 naira. So once you do that, it's you can then get your code and then paste it here. So after doing that, account type, be careful. What you're going to select here as an video earn is video earner. Okay, you're going to click on this video earner, because this one is the one where you complete simple tasks and you get paid 400 naira on each video you watch. Okay, so the referral is going to change automatically to my name. Okay, because you're going to be using my link, and that is why you're going to be getting 500 naira as a welcome bonus. Okay, don't make that mistake. If you sign up yourself without using my link, you're not going to get any bonus. Okay, so make sure you use my link. So already I have an account with these guys. I don't need to create a new account, so I'll just go back and log in. So I'll show you one or two things again in the website. Okay, I'll just click on login. So now this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, once you complete the registration, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And here you're going to see your welcome bonus. Your 500 naira is going to appear here immediately after you finish creating the account. Okay, so let's say now you're done creating your account, you now have your dashboard. How are you going to be making money? Okay, so let me just show you the simple process. So the first thing you want to do is you click on this button here. You can see this 3 dash button at the top left corner here. Let me indicate so you can see it clearly. You can see this button here. So once you just click on this 3 dash, you options are going to pop up. Okay, so you can see different options here. So you want to watch video and make money, so you just click on watch video. So once you click on watch video, already I've watched the video for yesterday, and it actually takes 24 hours before the earning will add to your dashboard. You can see the countdown is still rolling here. You can see the countdown is rolling. So once this turns to 0000, they are going to add 400 naira to the 1,350 you're seeing here already. So it's going to change to 1,750. Okay, so this video will not be too long, so I won't be able to wait till then. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you want to watch new video here. You're going to click on this click on watch video, and once it opens, it's not what you're going to do is just click on this red icon here in form of video icon. Okay, you're just going to click on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to redirect you to YouTube. Okay, once it redirects you to the video in YouTube, you're just going to watch it. They are short videos. Some of them they are not even up to 1 minute. Some of these videos are not even up to 1 minute. So once you just finish watching the video, you come back to the platform, and then you see the countdown will start reading. Okay, it starts from 23 hours. Okay, that's how it's going to reduce till it gets to 0. So once it gets to 0, your money is going to be added to your dashboard. Okay, that is basically how you can make 400 naira by watching one video. Okay, so let me show you another way you can make money on this platform. Okay, the next thing you're going to do here is complete simple tasks. Okay, this is actually important as well, and this one, on each task you complete, you get 150 naira, and most of the tasks here is just to click on a link, and the link is going to redirect you to a post on Facebook. Okay, and the post is about the platform. Okay, you're just going to drop a review or a good comment about the platform, and you're going to get 150 immediately. Okay, I've actually done that earlier, so you are not going to be, I can't do it twice a day. All you have to do is just once. You can do both of them once in a day. So basically what you're going to be making daily here is like 550 naira daily. Okay, you can only watch one video, and you can only perform one task. So you get 400 on the video, and you get 150 on the task. That's like 550 naira daily. Okay, so let me show you how you can perform the task. You click on view. Okay, viral video task. Once you click on viral video task, it's going to open. But before then, you have to link your Facebook to this platform. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that as well, because if you don't link your Facebook to this platform, you're not going to be able to perform that task. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So once you click on that viral share task, you're going to click on this option here. You can see viral video share task for October 29th. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to just direct you to a post on Facebook. Okay, they are going to show you options, what they want you to do on the task. Okay, so this is it, how to earn from this video viral share. Step 1, click here to share this video. Okay, to share this post on Facebook. So once you click on this blue icon showing share, once you click on it, it will direct you to Facebook, and here they ask you to join their WhatsApp group. Yeah, okay, you are asked to join viewpoint group on Facebook. Okay, here you're asked to join their WhatsApp group, and here you're asked to join their Telegram group. All these things are just something you're going to do with just one click. Okay, and once you do these ones for the first day, that is for the first time, you're not going to be doing them again, because you're already in the groups already. So what you're just going to be doing on the other days is to just click on this option here, and it's going to redirect you to your Facebook account. But before then, you're going to link your Facebook. So I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook. Okay, so here is a post already. I've commented here. You can see this is my comment here 36 minutes ago. This is my comment here. You can see 36 minutes ago, and the money has been added to my dashboard already. Okay, so once you just drop a comment, drop a good comment about the platform, and you just click back, you're just going to be taken back to your dashboard. You go back to your dashboard, and the money will be added to your account immediately. Okay, I've already done that for today. That is why you're not going to be seeing the money there. Okay, I've already done that today. So now I'm going to show you how you can link your Facebook to this platform. Okay, because if you don't link your Facebook account here, you're not going to be able to perform these tasks. Okay, this is how you can paste your profile link on this platform. Okay, what you're going to do is you just click on this three dash here, and you're going to see this option. So just scroll down. You can see this option here showing my account. So just click on my account. So once you click on it, you're going to see option of where you're going to just paste your profile link. Okay, you can see the option here, you can see it. So you just copy your profile link from Facebook and paste it here. Okay, and also if you want to, okay, if you don't know how to get your Facebook profile link, I'm going to show you. Okay, so make sure you just stay. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so if you also want to add your withdrawal details, your account details for withdrawal, this is how you're going to do that. Okay, so you just you're just going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to see every options, you need to input your bank details. Okay, I don't want to just expose mine. That is why I'm not going to show up everything. So once you just scroll down, you're going to see everything there, where to put your name, your number, your bank name, and everything. So that is, just scroll down, and after you're done, you just click on update. So it's going to be updated. Okay, so now let me just go on Facebook and show you how to create your how to copy your Facebook profile link. Okay, right, this is my Facebook right here. Okay, so to copy your profile link, you're just going to click on this icon showing your profile picture. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to your profile, and you're going to click on this three dots here. You can see this three dots here. So once you just click on the three dots, once you click on the three dots, you're going to scroll down. Okay, on the bottom of this page, that is where you're going to see your link. This is my Facebook profile link here. Okay, so this is my Facebook profile link here. You can just click on copy the link, and then you go back to your viewpoint dashboard. Okay, go back to the your viewpoint account, and then just long press. So once you long press, you just paste it. It's going to paste. So after doing that, you just click on update, and it's automatically going to be updated. Okay, so with this now, you can watch video and make money. You can still do taxes and make money. Okay, so all you just have to get started is to purchase the activation code, and I've already shown you how to do that. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, kindly give this video a like, and also click on the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button, because I'm going to be dropping more updates on this channel. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.